Install 4 batteries. Use screws to tighten the battery cover. Fold the positioning card. Take off the lock body and the holes on the card number 1. Put card number 1 on the drawer door. Make sure the dash line align with the edge of your drawer door. Use a pen to draw along the shape. Then mark the lock position outside of the door with the help of card number 2. Fold the positioning card along the drawer door. Close the drawer door and mark along the positioning card again. Stick the 3M adhesive to the joint lock body. Make sure the lock hole is close to the edge of your drawer. Put the lock body on the 3M adhesive. Put card number 2 on the drawer. Align the crease to the edge of drawer. Use a pen to draw along the shape. Make sure the lock latch is close to the edge of your drawer. Stick the 3M adhesive to lock latch. Put the lock latch on the drawing. Close the drawer. Use app or card to unlock. Successfully unlock. Congratulations! The lock has been successfully installed.